Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate fuboTV on your TV using an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming live sports, news, and entertainment. Step 1. Turn on your TV and launch the fuboTV app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your TV's app store first. Step 2. Open the fuboTV app on your TV. Step 3. The app will display an activation code on your screen along with instructions to visit fubo.tv Connect or a similar activation URL. Step 4. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and navigate to fubo.tv Connect. Step 5. Log into your fuboTV account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and subscribe to a plan. Step 6. Once logged in, enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 7. Click Activate, Submit, or Continue to complete the linking process. Step 8. Return to your TV and wait a few moments for the fuboTV app to refresh automatically. Step 9. Once activated, the app will display the fuboTV home screen with access to live channels, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. Step 10. You can now browse and stream your favorite sports, shows, and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.